In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up WhatsApp when it comes to integrating it with Klaviyo. Now, I'm not actually going to show you how to build the flows or anything like that. I'll make a separate video about this, but in this video, I'll show you how to set up your account within Klaviyo to ensure that WhatsApp's in there. Now, really quick note, you're actually going to hear me mention a school community in this video. I'll say something like, hey, if you're watching this and you want to learn about SMS marketing, watch the previous school module. That's because this is part of my school training. I have a community where I train people how to do email marketing. And if you want to be a part of that, there is a link to it in the description of this video. So check that out. It's the best community when it comes to email and SMS marketing. Anyway, without wasting more of your time, let's get into the video. So this video is solely going to focus on setting up WhatsApp within your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the left-hand side, click the name of your account in Klaviyo, click Settings. It'll take you here. Click WhatsApp. Click Begin WhatsApp Setup. Okay? Now, you have three options, and the instructions are going to vary according to the option that you select. So, if you are not currently using WhatsApp marketing for your business, you're going to click My Business Does Not Use WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp through a third-party platform, you're going to click this. If you're using the WhatsApp Business app on your phone, right, which is, I don't know if you can see that there, is basically not regular WhatsApp, but WhatsApp for Business, you're going to click that. I'm going to click this. My Business Does Not Use WhatsApp. And it's going to give you two options. It's going to give you either a Meta provided number, which is no setup required before you start, available directly in Meta's setup wizard, may take longer for Meta to verify, right? Which could delay when you can start. Or you can create a new number, right? Which is that number must be able to receive phone calls and text messages. Meta will send a one-time code by text or call during the setup, and it cannot be active with two WhatsApp providers at the same time. So if you're going to create a new number in WhatsApp, okay, make sure you have access to that phone number because you need to be able to verify when you create that. We're going to click Next, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to have to connect it with Meta because obviously WhatsApp is owned by Meta, and you need to make sure that you're connecting Facebook, the Facebook page for the business that you're setting up, with Meta. So if you're an email marketer and you are managing your client's email marketing strategy, you need to make sure that you have access to their Facebook page and their Facebook account to make sure that this is set up properly. If you do not have access to that and they do not want to give that to you, make sure the client goes through this step themselves, okay? This is if you're an agency or a freelancer. If you're an e-commerce business watching this, sure. Now, if you're wanting to learn how to do SMS, check out the previous models. This is purely for WhatsApp. So we're gonna go here. We're going to go connect to WhatsApp. So I'm going to take you up to this prompt thing, which will automatically log you into the existing account that you're in. As you can see here, this is my Facebook account, Gavin Hewitson. If I go into Facebook here, and we go here, you'll see that I'm currently logged into that same account, okay? Gavin Hewitson. And Klaviyo has kindly given me the prompt that I just need to bring up again. Facebook login for business. There we go. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just want to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really, really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out. It's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community. And if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video. Let's get back to it. There you go. There you go. Cool. Continue. You're going to select the business profile. And look, if you do not already have a WhatsApp account set up in your business profile, it will show you create a WhatsApp business account. If you already have one, it'll show it up here. Okay? As you can see, I already have one. But you can also create another WhatsApp account. We click Next, and it'll ask you, add your WhatsApp number. Choose how you want to be identified when sending messages. So, use a display name only. It'll generate a virtual number, and you cannot initiate or receive calls or text messages. Or you can choose an existing WhatsApp number, and that way you can do back and forth conversations. You just need to make sure you already have that number set up, or you can add a phone number later. Okay. Personally, you can use a display name. It can take up to 1 working day to get verified here. Okay. And keep in mind, if you use display name only, you cannot initiate or receive calls or text messages. So you can't enter in text conversations back and forth, okay? You can send messages out, but you can't have conversations back and forth, okay? And you will also need to verify your business. If you have an existing number, select that, okay? Add a phone number later. You won't be able to send phone numbers until you do it. We're just gonna click display name. I'm gonna let it load. It's gonna take us to the next steps. Cool, it's gonna take us here. You're just gonna confirm this. This is gonna take a few seconds as well. There you go. Your account is connected, and now they've reserved this number for us. You can immediately get started with sending up to 5 messages within a rolling 24-hour period. Obviously, if you're doing any sort of proper messaging, that's not gonna be enough. You're gonna hit finish. And now it's connecting. And now, really, all that's gonna happen is Facebook's gonna verify you, okay? This can take up to a while. It can be about 30 days. Sometimes it takes a long time to get this verified, okay? And you'll notice here, it'll show you that number that we selected previously. And here we go, it's gonna say action required. Yep, there we go. This is the number that we're using. This is an inactive number. Now, the business has not passed verification. This needs to be handled with Meta. Klaviyo will not do the verification here. Meta needs to do the verification, okay? If you want to speed this process up, you have to verify yourself within Meta's business settings. So you have to have an active Meta business account to get that set up. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'm going to assume you already have one. To get that set up, Google set up Meta business account. Klaviyo in its support section is going to say log into your WhatsApp business manager, okay? I haven't been able to find that. What you're going to do instead is you're going to go into your business settings, so your Meta Ads Manager, okay? So just going to go here, type in Meta Ads Manager, okay? And it'll take you here, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to go Start Now, okay? You're going to go into the left-hand toolbar here, okay? Search, type in WhatsApp, WhatsApp Manager, okay? That should load up. Here we go. And then you're gonna go left-hand side, click Settings. God, things are such a pain in the ass, this platform. Close this, close, click Settings again. And you're gonna look for Security, Security Center, right here. You're gonna be right here. Business verification, setting up a website account, WhatsApp business account, you're gonna hit Start Verification. Then you're gonna go ahead and verify everything. So provide your business name, address, phone number, email address, website verification. You may need to upload a set of documents, just click Get Started, and just go through those steps, okay? So I'm in New Zealand. We're gonna go private company, in my case, LLC. That's correct. That's correct. That is my phone number. Yeah, let's see how to fix this. Right now, WhatsApp or whatever, this terrible fucking interface here just doesn't seem to understand that my website's real. But you're gonna go through that, go through next, okay? Let's see if I can fix this here. Yeah, it doesn't seem to believe me that I've got a real email, real company website. But then you're just gonna go ahead and upload your documents. That will verify you within Meta, and then that should then cross-verify you within Klaviyo here, okay? Now, I'm not going to talk about how to set up, or rather where to put your messages from a WhatsApp perspective. I will talk about that in the next module in this school community. Let me know if you have any questions.